Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be checking out some gorgeous haircuts and hair color transformations. Here we have someone's hair going from short to this beautiful bob. So she started off with a pixie and she showed us the process of her hair getting longer. Next up we have someone with a bob. So the stylist is blocking the mirror here so that she can't see the end results until the end. I love this idea. And then the stylist gets to work cutting the hair into this really cute pixie style. It does feature some bangs going there in the front. Wow, she is in love with her new haircut. I love the excitement here. Very cute. So next up we have another hair transformation. So the stylist gets to work cutting the hair, doing an undercut here. Adding in some color. Ooh, she gets a beautiful pixie bob cut. Now this one does feature a nice undercut there. And I love the way that the color came out. So pretty. So next up we see someone with shoulder length hair. She's got this pretty peach color and she gets the hair chopped into this head turning pixie. I love this hair color. Very edgy and fun. Next up we have another cut refresh. She gets some color for this one as well. Does her makeup. And bam, absolutely gorgeous. Wow. And this pixie does feature an undercut as well. Beautiful shaven sides and back. And then we move into the next one. So she starts off with a bob. Hair ends around shoulder length. I like the stylish hair too. So she has a money piece highlights going here with her bob hairstyle. And the way that she cut this bob is she did kind of like that stacked effect. So she has a nice layered appearance, helping the hair to appear thicker. This is absolutely gorgeous. Frames her face perfectly. And I like how we get a nice 360 view of this cut as well. So we have our last haircut transformation. This one also looks like a cut refresh. Oh, she did like a shaggy pixie bob here. Wow. Beautiful bangs in the front. Oh, I love this cut. So cute and fun. Perfect for the fall. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of the hairstyles featured in today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.